My name is Jake Shimabukuro. I'm an ukulele player. Shimabukuro. Yeah, I've had moments where you know the MC of the show, you know, will be backstage and just, you know, seconds before he's about to go on and introduce me, he'll be like, "Okay, Jake, I'm sorry, one more time. How do you say your last name?" And so I'll be like, "Oh, Shimabukuro." And they're like, "Okay, Shimabukuro, Shimabukuro, Shimabukuro. All right, I got it." Okay, and then they'll go out there. "Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Jack Shimabukuro." And they'll be smiling. They'll be, yes, they'll come off stage. "I got it, I got it." When I was a kid, there was no such thing as a touring solo ukulele player. But I do remember the first time she took it off the shelf and placed it in my hand. And I remember I was so nervous just holding this instrument. I just fell in love with it. There's something very special about the ukulele. It's very peaceful, and people of all ages aren't afraid to pick it up and play it for the first time. To me, the ukulele is truly the instrument of peace, because you can't possibly be angry when you're strumming an ukulele. It's very difficult. Like when you can pick up an instrument and just do that, it's like, wow, I made that sound. Just, you know, that thing that just made the room light up or made everyone smile. You know, I just created that. You know, and there's a joy in that, and I wish everyone could feel that. With the ukulele, you don't feel like you need hours and hours of practice. You can just pick it up for the first time, you know, take your finger and do this, you know. And just have fun with it, and it just feels good. Everything feels right.